As you know, drama gives a secure, inventive space for young learners to express their ideas and also their feelings without any judgment.
Oh, but not only that, I think it promotes self-confidence and the ability to work together as a team, like with others.
Having said that, I would love for everyone to participate in this creative drama exercise with me. Let's get to the space. Okay, first of all, let's find space. This activity is called the walking exercise. There are 3 levels to it, 1 being the slowest, 3 being the fastest. Alright, we're going to walk around in space. Now, if I say freeze, you're going to do a pose. You're going to take the lowest, you're going to take the middle, and I'll take the highest. Alright? It's easy. Let's go. Let's walk at the speed of 1. As slow as we can. Yes. Control your body. 2. Walk around the space. Very good. And 3. As fast as you can. And freeze. With tempo and repetition of movements, it encourages young learners and excites them to work together as a team.
So no pressure, but we are going to play a little bit of object improv. So over here, I have 3 different cloths. So this is for you, and this is for you. Thank you. And we are going to play a game called This is Not a Cloth, but a... Both of you are going to have 5 seconds to think about how you would like to present this cloth to be or to do. So I'm going to start first. So this is not a cloth, but a snake.
This is not a cloth, but a... I'm an old wise man.
This is not a cloth, but my magic carpet. To the clouds!
The power of imagination.
It would be unpredictable. You may never know what's going to happen.
It is inspiring because the kids always provide me with refreshing new ideas.